Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Now, we all know that Jamaica is a very famous country and is known for, its culture, its dialect, the food, the people, and even their respect for family. But now today I want us to look at some interesting facts about Jamaica. Some things that will make you fall in love with Jamaica. Some fun facts. So don't take them as stereotypes, but these are just fun facts, some interesting facts that I wrote down that I would like us to discuss. These are interesting facts about Jamaicans and how they do their things. And how, they do things in a funny way, interesting way, and just being Jamaicans. Now, let's begin. I am told that whenever a plane is full of Jamaicans or a plane has got a few Jamaicans, now, when the plane is landing, whenever the pilot lands safely on the tarmac, he's likely to be applauded for. Once he just lands safely on the tarmac, the pilot is applauded for. Man, look at how interesting Jamaicans are. So whenever Jamaicans are full in a plane, even the pilot has the morale, Let's be honest, ladies and gentlemen. As human beings, we love and we like to be appreciated. We like when people are going to notice our efforts. Now, I am told, and I'm going to repeat it, that whenever a plane is full of Jamaicans, the pilot, he knows that whenever he's going to land that plane safely on the tarmac, Jamaicans have to big him up. Jamaicans have to applaud him. And that's why Jamaica will always keep on trending. Look at these positive, interesting, fun facts that Jamaicans show the world. That a pilot, whenever he realizes that this plane that I have today is full of Jamaicans, once I land safely, I am going to be applauded, I am going to be appreciated, and I'm going to be made, to feel proud. That is an interesting fact, man. It's good, especially that is coming from Caribbean. But where exactly? Jamaica. Number 2, I wrote this one down. Jamaicans have a party for every day of the week. When people are saying that, the people, there is a vibe in Jamaica. So I am told that Jamaicans have got a party, each and every day of the week. Like in Jamaica, it is never a dull moment. I am told that on Monday, that is what we call Mojito Mondays. So on Monday, there is a party for that specific day. On Tuesday, I am told there is a party called Bossy Tuesdays. On Monday, Mojito Mondays. On Tuesday, we have Bossy Tuesdays. On Wednesday, I was told there is Weddy Wednesday. Weddy Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I wrote it. We are told there is Whopping Thursdays. Friday, there is MVP's Fridays. Saturday, there is a Saturday party. And Sunday, there is Wet Sundays. Now, every day, and this is why Jamaica is influencing the world. In as much as each and every country has got its up and down, Jamaica will always try to make the good out of everything. So on Monday, they have got their party, On Tuesday, they have a party. And in life, you're going to realize that sometimes when we are looking forward for something, we feel motivated. So things might not be good today, but I know in the evening, there is a party. It's Wednesday. I know today there is a party. Ladies and gentlemen, are you falling in love with this Caribbean country? Let's go on. Now, number 3, Jamaicans always repeat for emphasis. I am told, and this one I've also witnessed it, especially if I'm talking to, my Jamaican friends. I told you there are very many Jamaicans that since I started the channel, we've been, communicating. So I am told that Jamaicans always repeat, for emphasis. For example, let's say there is a lady that, the lady is pretty. They might say, she's pretty. The lady is pretty. Or if somebody is saying that, me well hungry, like I'm hungry. Me well hungry. Or somebody might even say, this man is very, very tall. This man is very, very tall. So there is that, and I think this is also one of the reasons why patois is sweet. Now, for those of us who read literature, that is what is called repetition. Once there is repetition, even language becomes sweet. So that's why you'll realize that in patois, there's also that aspect. So I am told that Jamaicans will always repeat for emphasis. She's pretty, pretty lady. She's tall, tall man. I mean, he's a tall, tall man. So ladies and gentlemen of the comment section, just tell me the truth, my Jamaican friends, if whatever I'm saying is the truth. This is not just a stereotype, but these are just fun facts about my Jamaican people. Let's go on. I am told, I don't know how true, I don't know how true this is, but I'm told that in Jamaica, Saturdays is mainly preserved for soup. For soup, yeah, there is a lot of eating going on, but there is, on Saturday, it is a day that is reserved for soup. Even if the day is hot, but they have to drink soup. It has been a tradition. What I know is that sometimes traditions do fade. But my Jamaican friend, could you please confirm to me if that tradition is still going on, or the tradition is still ongoing, that on Saturdays, there is a way it is specially, preserved or reserved for soup. It's a soup day. All right, let's go on. I am told that on Sundays in Jamaica is a special day reserved for, worship and fried chicken with rice and peas. So mainly Jamaicans, they eat fried chicken with rice and peas on Sunday. I'm not saying they don't eat it on any other day, but I am made to understand there is a way Sunday is a special day in Jamaica. So you can confirm to me, my Jamaican friend, if this is true, that on Sunday there is fried chicken, rice and peas after worship. It's a special day, an awesome day. So these are just fun facts about Jamaica. Let's go on. I am also told that Jamaicans are resilient no matter how bad a situation is or how high the flood waters are. Jamaicans can make it a fun time and a time of laughter for all. No matter how things are, Jamaicans will still, make something fun, in as much as things might happen. So they are also known for their resilience. That is a fact and a fun fact. Sometimes we are stressed up as human beings, because of how things are happening. But Jamaicans will always try to look at a positivity out of anything. Now, let me give you an example. There is this story of the first Jamaican team that participated in the Olympics, the bobsled team. Get what I'm saying? In as much as they never won, but they enjoyed the moment. In as much as they never came out as the winning team, but they enjoyed the moment. They made fun and laughter. And at the end of the day, many people were cheering on the Jamaican Olympic team. Let's go on to another fact. I am told that Jamaicans have a tendency to end their sentence with man. For example, yeah man, me good man, you look nice man. And this thing I've also had it with some of my Jamaican friends. Yeah man, me good man, I'll talk to you later man. All right man. I don't know how true is it, but I am told that Jamaicans like it. And this also make the patois sweet. You get me man? We link up later man. All right, let's go on to another fact. I am told that Jamaicans are very patriotic and they will do anything to represent for the black, green, gold. These are the colors of the Jamaican flag. Black, green, gold. Sometimes that even means dressing in full Jamaican colors and banging pot covers at sporting events. At all the sporting events, just to ensure that everyone else knows they represent Jamaica. So, another fun fact is that Jamaicans are very patriotic and they will do anything for green, gold, and black colors. Those are the colors in their flags, and they will be conspicuous, dressing dressing in a way that you can realize that this is a Jamaican. The full colors, green, black, and gold, just to represent their country. And whenever they are, whatever they're doing, you're going to know that these are Jamaicans. Like the patriotic is to that level. Even in my comment section, a Jamaican will always comment and is gonna drop the color of the flag. He's gonna drop his flag. That is how they're patriotic. And that is a fun fact, because in as much as some people always just represent their countries, but Jamaicans will represent their country in such a way that you are going to realize that, you know what, these are Jamaicans. How are they doing it? By representing their flag, dressing, in the color of their flags, and you're going to, at the end of the day, realize that, you know what, these are Jamaicans. All right. I am also told, I don't know how true is this, that Jamaicans always answer questions with question. I don't know how true this is, that they answer question and question. For example, you can ask a Jamaican, you left the door open? And he'll be like, I left the door open? Bro, you left the door open. I left the door open. And that's an answer. So I don't know how true is it, but my Jamaican friends, you can tell me this. But this is a fun fact. You get what I'm saying? All right. I am also told that Jamaicans are inclined not to like you just because their spirit not take you. You remember there's a time I told you about a Jamaican can tell you, me spirit not take you, or me spirit like you. So to me, it's a fun fact. It's something interesting that if a Jamaican doesn't feel that his spirit or his instincts, is vibing with yours, he'll just tell you that, my spirit not take you. And they might be inclined not to just like you, just because he or she, the instincts tell him, you know what, I don't like this guy. And that is a fact. I don't know how factual it is, but on the comment section, you can tell me that. All right. Another interesting fact about Jamaicans is that they are very, very creative. And there is a saying that I wrote down that says, we can take, we hand, make fashion for almost any situation. So why am I talking about creativity? I am told that, and these, my Jamaican friends, you're going to confirm to me if it's true, that Jamaicans are very creative in that they can make something out of any situation. So their creativity goes beyond what you can see or what you can think. That out of any situation, they can come out with something. And that's why the saying that I read that says, we can take, we hand, make a fashion. Now, lastly, this is something that I want to know how true is it, is that Jamaicans are also known for, for nicknaming, that let's say, for example, you look big, you can be called, hey, Biggie, or maybe if you're a tall person, you're a tall man, or maybe if you are like, how am I going to put it? Let's say funny man, you're a funny man. So ladies and gentlemen, today we're just looking at, some of the fun facts about Jamaicans and, interesting things that Jamaicans do, which also make them feel lively and, increase the vibe, because these are people that, are known for, being friendly, being creative, being fashionable. And the things that I've told you make them, stand out. Just like I've said, a pilot is happy when he's landing, having Jamaicans, because of the appreciation. So ladies and gentlemen, I am happy with the support that we are showing one another. And mainly our aim is one love. So we as Africans, those in the Caribbean, those in Europe, those in America, our aim is to come as Africans, people of the same origin, the Caribbeans, and all our brothers and sisters across the globe. Why are we doing this? It's only us who can tell our own stories. It's only us who can share our own jokes. Because once we come together, we are a great nation. So those of us who are new in this channel is called African Walk. Our main motto is one love, to spread love and to show one another how caring and loving we are as a people. Now, our motto, one love, came from a song that was done by Bob Marley, One Love. Our inspirations come from Marcus Garvey, who wanted to see Africans in the continent without the continent coming together as one people. For now, my people, goodbye. Let's talk tomorrow, same time, same place. Goodbye. I love you all. We say in Patwa, Likolmo.